as you begin your meditation, just let your body move and wriggle a little bit. Just really find especially the comfortable position for your back, feeling supported. Everything nicely aligned and balanced, feeling your body right and left is balanced. Spine nicely upright. And we're just going to have 3 sighs to begin and to settle. So breathing in through your nose and sighing through your mouth right through your body. And have your sigh let you land in the position that you're in, on the surface that you're on. And now check as you're breathing that your body's expanding as you're breathing in and softening as you're breathing out. Go down to your torso, sense your ribs, and check that they're opening like fingers spreading a little as you breathe in and softening as you breathe out. So there's this sense that your body is like a balloon filling as you breathe in, just gently. And the balloon is emptying as you breathe out. Now, if you're not sure if that's happening, don't worry about it. Just gradually start to have that be your intention for your body to fill on the inhale and empty on the exhale. And now find somewhere, if you're lying down, it might be through the back of your hips or even the back of your torso. And if you're sitting, it'll be through your feet or your seat. But I want you to find somewhere that is very attached to the surface that's underneath you. Go back to your nice expansive breathing without effort or struggle. And as you breathe out, just sense that place even more that is grounded into the surface underneath you. So your seat or your back or your feet on the floor. And have a sense that that part of your body that you're breathing out and grounding yourself in almost has roots that attach you solidly to the surface underneath you. Just keep your attention on your breath, that nice expansion of your body, very gently, no effort. And that exhale that goes through your body and grounds you into the stability that you feel underneath you. Now, as you breathe out, on the way to that sense of grounding that you're taking your attention to, On the way there, send a wave of relaxation through your body. So you breathe in, you feel your body expand just easily, no effort. And as you breathe out, you feel your body soften. Feel your muscles relax, especially around your face, down through your shoulders, and then through your torso and to the place that you are grounding in, whether that be your feet, your seat, or your back. Expansion on your inhale, relaxation on your exhale that starts in your face, especially your mouth, behind your eyes, softening into your jaw. And then feeling your roots wherever they are, solid, stable, and right here in this moment. So on your exhale, as you send that softness through your body, have that be a very compassionate, gentle, kind breath that moves through your body and reassures you. Calming, soothing breath. So you might sigh again a little on that exhale. That exhale that naturally soothes your nervous system, naturally brings your heart rate down. And to land you right here, solid and stable in the present moment, which is all there is. A moment, and then another moment, and then another moment. And now just let that go and just be with your breath. Be with your soft expanding inhale and your gentle soothing exhale. Just enjoying the stillness, the quiet, noticing that thoughts keep coming, sensory information keeps coming. It's absolutely fine. Just take your attention back to your breath. And as you go through your day today, just a few times during the day today, reminding yourself by breathing in, being very conscious of your breath, sighing your exhale out, feeling your feet, feeling your roots, and bringing yourself back to the present moment. So have a lovely day today, and try and have a day of just one moment after the next.